In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the TikTok for WooCommerce plugin. This integration is a fantastic way to expand your e-commerce reach by leveraging TikTok's popular platform. Let's dive in and walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, before we begin, make sure to log into your WooCommerce account. This will save us some time and effort later on. Now, let's proceed with installing the TikTok for WooCommerce plugin. Open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for the plugin. In the search bar, type TikTok for WooCommerce and hit Enter. Once you see the plugin in the search results, click the Install Now button and wait for the installation to complete. After that, click Activate to get the plugin up and running. Next up, we need to log into the TikTok Business Center. This is essential as it helps you manage your TikTok advertising campaigns and track the performance of your content. If you don't already have an account, head over to the TikTok Business Center website and create one. For those of you who are already signed up, simply log in with your credentials. I recommend keeping the TikTok Business Center and WordPress dashboard open in separate tabs, making it easier to switch between them as needed. Once you're logged into the TikTok Business Center, it's time to connect your TikTok account via the WooCommerce plugin. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the settings of your newly installed TikTok for WooCommerce plugin, and look for the option to connect your TikTok account. Click on it and you'll be prompted to authorize the connection between TikTok and WooCommerce. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process, and voila, your accounts are now connected, allowing seamless management of your products and TikTok campaigns. Now that our accounts are linked, let's sync your WooCommerce products with TikTok. This is done automatically by the plugin, ensuring that your product catalog on WooCommerce is accurately reflected on TikTok. This seamless synchronization is crucial for creating effective marketing campaigns on TikTok, as it allows you to showcase your exact product listings. Take a moment to review your product sync settings under the plugin settings to ensure everything is in order. Finally, let's set up TikTok ads if that's something you need to do. Having synced your products, go back to the TikTok Business Center and navigate to the Campaign tab. Here, you can create, manage, and monitor your TikTok ad campaigns. Utilize the insights from your WooCommerce data to tailor your ads, maximizing engagement and conversions. Remember, the key to a successful campaign is understanding your audience and crafting a compelling message that resonates with them. And there you have it, a complete integration of TikTok with WooCommerce, setting your business up for a broader digital presence. Thanks for following along today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Do subscribe for more guides like this, and happy selling on TikTok.